We get asked a lot of questions about which thermal imaging camera to buy. This is the FLIR E6. I'll just show you how it works. There's a damp area on the floor where the water's been spilt. It shows up dark there in blue. We come around, that's the water tower. See where it's hot there. This is the kitchen sink. Here in the bathroom, you can see where the hot pipe runs around the wall. There's the riser for the shower. Comes around to the basement. So they've got a lot of features in them. You can change your colour scales and so forth. Grey, hot alerts, cold alerts. But as you can see, it's really easy for finding where the pipes are on the walls and diagnosing faults. If you want to look for damp areas like shower base leaks and things, we can see here's a hand tail. The guys wash their hands. You see where it's blue there? That's wet. You can't see it, but the camera's picking up it's actually cold. You can see the dampness. Blue is damp, and the yellow is the heat. That's it there, very easy to use. When you squeeze the trigger, it takes a thermal photo and a digital photo all in one. Any questions, give us a call and we'll talk you through it.